Home HVAC Services provides reliable and efficient air conditioning service in Westchester, PA, helping homeowners stay cool and comfortable year-round. Our experienced technicians deliver fast repairs, expert installations, and routine maintenance with a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Call our air conditioning service if you have any questions. Are you looking for an air conditioning service near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. How often should I service my air conditioner? It's recommended to service your air conditioner at least once a year, ideally before the summer season, to ensure it runs efficiently and reliably. What is included in a typical AC service? Service usually includes cleaning coils, checking refrigerant levels, inspecting components, tightening electrical connections, and ensuring the system runs efficiently. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our air conditioning service have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Wyndon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania air conditioning service office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.